Hey guys, this is Henry here again, aka Spirit FX. Guys, this is a new crypto alert. This is a new crypto alert. I wouldn't want you guys to sleep on this. Guys, this is a cryptocurrency, a new, I don't know, it's not really new. They've been on for 3 years plus right now. This is an exchange platform called Biconomy. Is it that you call it Biconomy or Biconomy? I don't know. But this cryptocurrency exchange platform, they are really doing well. Look at, they've been on for 3 years plus. They have 12 billion quarterly volume traded, $12 billion quarterly volume traded. They are in 100 plus countries, and they have over 350,000 plus verified users. Guys, this is a project to invest in. Is in this kind of project you should invest in, because these people have actually done a whole lot of work. They have a whole lot of users, and imagine they have quarterly $12 billion traded. And you guys know me, I love talking about exchange tokens, because exchange tokens always do well. Just go and check most of all these exchange tokens: Binance, BNB, Hubio, KuCoin, Xcoin, XTCoin. Just check them. Hotbit token. Almost of all these centralized exchange platforms, their token always do well. Guys, now if you scroll down, why I really love this project, if you check, they already have a working mobile app, mobile Android and iOS working mobile app, and these are the countries where they have all their users from. Guys, this is a currency to invest in. Now let me shock you. Look at the price. Look at the price, because I'm actually viewing right now from CoinGecko. Look at the price. It's 0.00006. Guys, this is the best time to invest in such cryptocurrency. These guys, they've gone far, and in no time these guys will hit $1 and above, because they have a powerful, good working platform. And where can you buy this coin from? You can buy this coin from PancakeSwap. Now, many of you might wonder, oh, you don't know how to use PancakeSwap. I already have a video on that. Just check my YouTube videos. You see where I thought about using PancakeSwap, using your trust wallet, guys. Now, this is a cryptocurrency to invest in. Guys, I posted this signal in my Telegram group. If you're not on my Telegram group, join my Telegram group right now. I'll be posting the link in the description of this video. Join my Telegram group for daily Forex signals and cryptocurrency signals, guys. Now, guys, I really want to draw your attention. Do not sleep on this cryptocurrency. Do not sleep on this cryptocurrency. Our advice, you also do your own research. Just go and check. Most of all these exchange tokens, they do well because they have massive adoption. They have massive usage. Everybody is on one decentralized or centralized exchange platform, exchanging currency for another. Do you understand? So even platforms that have not even gotten to this level that these people are already doing well. If you check their tokens are really doing well. Not to talk of this currency, this token rather, that they've really gone far. They have a good working website, good working mobile app. Most of all the other exchange platforms that are doing perfectly well, most of them don't even have iOS app. Most of them don't have Android apps. But this company, they have a good working Android and iOS app. They would really go far. Just look at this. Over 100 countries. Guys, they will really go far. This is an alert you should not joke with. Thank you, guys. If this video has been helpful, give it a thumbs up. And I will say again, I'm not a financial advisor. You can do your research first of all before you invest. Give my videos a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel to be getting informations like this. Guys, we are in the era of cryptocurrency. We are in the era of metaverse. We are in the era of Web3. Do not sleep on all this information. Get in before it is too late. Thank you, guys.